Hey there, Aunt Stephanie. It looks like you have a lot of snow. We have quite the opposite. It's very warm, and we've been outside setting up our picnic table and playing baseball and getting hot and sweaty. And what?
What? It's new.
It's new, yes. New picnic table.
Guitar.
And we were playing guitar out in the garage, too.
And we got a new baseball set like Grandma has.
Yeah, a new baseball shirt? Is that what you said?
Game.
A baseball game, yes. Just like Owen's baseball game at Grandma's. But have fun playing in the snow. We love you.
Bye.
Say love you, Stephanie and Uncle Ron.
Bye, Stephanie and Uncle Ron. Bye, Stephanie and Uncle Ron.
Bye.